magandang pagkakataon para makabawi para di sa first unit. They didn't start well, but first three going right away to the side of JP Belenchon.
Prince Casin gets it to Jammer Hamito.
That he was already wide open.
3-point shot, di gagana yan. Sa kabilang dako, Prince Casin making them pay.
Caloocan, inaantay nila na mag-mintes itong side ng Imus. Tatakbo agad. Jogi Laude was the one.
Laude against Darwin. Entry pass, hook shot. Lista mo na yan.
Side defender playing the wing but forced to defend Jammer in that last play.
Janjan Salazar, swak na swak yung kanyang tres. 15 puntos para kay Janjan, comes away with a steal. Lays it in for 2, 17 points for Janjan Salazar.
Caloocan has not been able to provide, in the plus-minus, they are on the negative end in this 5 of Caloocan, but Valencia answering with a basket.
9-point advantage. 2 minutes gone by. Salazar is feeling it. Why not? 20 puntos para kay Janjan.
Home court advantage definitely on the side of Janjan Salazar. Komportable. He even has a small fan group
Around Jammer Hamito. Jogi Laude sa loob. 2 points plus the foul. Malones, quick catch and shoot. Drills in that shot from beyond the arc.
outside shooting has been to the advantage of Imus here in the third quarter. At this point, you cannot go under on any shooter of Imus.
Baclaan slicing through the defense, finds a cutting. Baclaan sets up Ladi. Consubre, jumper, falls in. Baclaan, sidestep. Consubre again. Kay Manny Ladi! The fronter goes spot back! Chillax lang si Danny Rabs.
Nakita ko nang mangyayari yun pero nagulat pa rin ako. And is very athletic.
Ladi tries a free, something that he has struggled with this season. Sanay na sanay. Nothing new for Danny Ravena. Turnaround shot by kay Manny Ladi. Belenchon, pasa kay Dylan Darwin. Off the bounce, naagaw, behind the back pass. Step back jumper, Janjan Salazar, too strong.
24 na yan para kay Janjan Salazar.
Lob towards kay Manny Ladi. 81-63, just like that. Belenchon punches that one in.
Don't want him to get hot.
Reverse layup. Ladi quickly has 11. Caloocan could pile up those points. Belenchon continues to put up those shots from beyond the arc.
They are not able to locate him on the shooting end. You know that he is going to continue to shoot it from the outside. You have to be able to know. Itong si JP Belenchon, I've seen that in college and in all the teams that he has played for. He's a very streaky shooter.
Ian Pardo joins the parade.
They're not doing good on defense. They're allowing a lot of things, and this is not the quality basketball you want to come from Caloocan.
Nakaagaw pa, Janjan Salazar. 26 points. Baclaan gives it up to kay Manny Ladi. Dito on. No look pass. Telegraphed by Justin Padua. Too strong kay Manny Ladi. Clears it for Caloocan. Baclaan. 1-on-4. No problem for Kian. Rebound nakuha ni JJ Manlangit. Escobar, sumugod. Volleyball, counted plus the foul. Caloocan putting up points, but allowing Imus to score 79. How about that graceful finish by Kian Baclaan?
It's a nice way to end the quarter para dito sa Caloocan. Offensively, they played terrific.